What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's Polygonians. We're going to go over Matic. We're currently sitting at 114. Oh, excuse me. We're down about 0.44% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 7.5 billion. 24-hour volume is 723 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing, and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So here's a 4-hour chart, guys. We almost came back down to $1, as I had mentioned in the last video, and we've thrown back up into our falling wedge once again. Now, what we might see here is we just consolidate in between $1 and $1.20 before Bitcoin starts to break out, where we may do a little something like this, and then we see that breakout back to the upside and break out of our falling wedge. And your target is up at $1.82. You can see here on the 4-hour chart, we're back underneath the 20 EMA and we got rejected by the 55. So we would need to get back above the EMAs if we're going to see continuation. We've created basically a triple bottom here. And let me just drop in the neckline. Here's the neckline. And your target, if we do break out here, is up at about $1.46. But as of right now, we're just consolidating, finding a strong level of support before seeing continuation, in my opinion. Here's Matic on the daily. We have had the bearish cross, which isn't the best signal in the world, guys. As you can see here, we had the bearish cross. We sold off rather drastically. Now, I don't think we would see that kind of sell-off once again. I think that would signal a bear market. Of course, that is a possibility here, guys. So we really need to come up and break our neckline, break back above the EMAs. Most likely will happen in early October, and then we'll see that continuation. That $1 has been acting as a strong level of support, and I think we're just building up steam before we start to take off once again. So here's Ethereum, guys, on the 4-hour. We're in a descending channel, as we are with many of the coins. I talked about this double bottom, which is now turned into a triple bottom here, and we came up and we got rejected by the neckline. So we may also see that consolidation here in between about 2721 and about 3163, where we just trade sideways until we gear up for a breakout here. Now, if we do break out of this descending channel, it is a bullish pattern, guys. Your target is all the way up at your high at about 3992, and then you have the all-time high at 4378 for Ethereum. Same with Ethereum on the daily. We're underneath the EMA, so if we get rejected and we roll, do expect a back test of 2721, which has been acting as a strong level of support. If we were able to break above the EMAs here, guys, your levels of resistance have dropped in 3355, 3616, and then basically you have your previous high really close to 4,000 for ETH. So as I've been saying with my other videos, we're just consolidating, creating a strong level of support and looking for continuation, in my opinion. So we'll end the video here with Matic. Do keep an eye on $1.11. We're currently trying to hold it as support. If we do lose that level, guys, I would expect a back test of that strong level of support of $1. Great time to accumulate to dollar cost average. I'm not your financial advisor. Just a young guy from Canada sharing his opinion here, but I do think we're gearing up for our next move. If we look at Bitcoin, guys, you can see with Bitcoin here, we're consolidating in between this range, just as we did right here. We consolidated on a bit of a downward slant, and right here with our major correction, we consolidated before our breakout, and it looks like we're doing that once again, in my opinion. All right, guys, and then if we break out of our triple bottom here for Matic, your target is $1.46, and you have the target from the falling wedge here, which is up at about $1.82. Guys, I'm trading Matic on Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Receive up to $600 in bonuses for signing up through my referral. Not only that, but they're currently giving away free crypto for a limited time. Highly recommend it. No KYC required. 2 minutes to sign up. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members strong, talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.